Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to lock or unlock your profile on Facebook easy and quickly. So first enter Facebook, then go to these three lines and then go to the settings, scroll down and here you will find this profile locking and then click here. So as you see here, if you want to unlock your profile, just click like this and it will be locked. It will be unlocked. So that's how to unlock or lock your profile on Facebook easy and quickly, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.